If you're still wasting hours building PowerPoint slides from scratch, you are doing it completely wrong. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a powerful AI tool called Gamma to create a professional presentation in less than a minute using their awesome free plan. Why is Gamma AI actually so good? It's simple. It automatically designs professional layouts and generates custom AI images for you in seconds. And the best part? You can still export it as a fully editable PowerPoint file anyway. Work smarter, not harder. Let's get started. First, open your browser and type gamma.app into the address bar. This link takes you directly to the Gamma homepage. Now, go ahead and click on Start for Free. Next up, let's create an account. The quickest way is to just click Continue with Google to link your Gmail, but you can also sign up manually with your email. I'll go ahead and choose Continue with Google. Just select your account right here and hit Continue. After that, you just sign up for Gamma through your Google account, just like this. Alright, next this customization window pops up asking what you're using it for. So I'm going with for personal use. Right here, just select the category that best describes what you do. I'm going to go ahead and pick Creator. Next, it's going to ask about your team size. Since it's just for my personal projects, I'm going to select Just Me. Next up, it'll ask how you heard about Gamma. Pick whatever you like, but I'll click AI tool. Honestly, you should probably choose YouTube since that's where you're watching this anyway. From here, you'll see their pricing options. But don't worry, you don't need a credit card. Just go with the free option and click Continue with Free. Now, let's get to building the presentation. You'll see a few options on the screen, but to save the most time, the Generate feature is the way to go. First, make sure presentation is selected right here. Next, head over to the prompt box and type in a brief description of your topic. But hey, here's a quick pro tip. The more detailed you are, the better your final result will be. For my topic, I typed in the impact of AI on remote work in 2026. Right above the prompt box, you'll spot a few settings. Under Cards, you can choose the number of slides you want, but to go beyond 10 slides, you'll have to jump on one of their paid tiers. I'm going to leave the card design mode on Classic. Now, this next setting is super important. It's for your slide size. Gamma actually offers a unique fluid option that adjusts to any screen, but for a standard PowerPoint feel, let's select the traditional 16:9. Next, choose the language for your presentation. There are plenty of options here, but I'm going with English, US. Alright, once you've set all that up, just click Generate Outline. And just like that, it instantly generates the outline for your slides. And you know what the coolest part is? You can easily add new cards, delete any unwanted slides, and even rearrange the entire layout. Scroll down and you'll see this. Under Text Content, you can adjust the word count for your slides. I highly recommend picking minimal or concise because honestly, nobody wants to read a wall of text. Under Theme, you can customize the colors and fonts for your presentation. If you don't see anything you like right here, just click View More to browse through more options. For this video, I'm going to go ahead and pick Borealis. This image source setting lets you pick how images are added to your slides. I'll just click AI images for mine. Over here, the art style option lets you completely change the vibe of your visuals. Lastly, the AI image model setting controls the backend tech that creates your presentation's visuals. Let's just keep it on auto select model and let Gamma handle the rest. Alright, once you've done all that, just go ahead and click this big blue Generate button. Wow, you can see the AI building the slides based on the prompt in real time. It typically takes less than a minute. Honestly, this saves so much time compared to sitting and manually designing slides for hours in PowerPoint. And there you go, your presentation is fully generated. But wait, we're not quite done yet. If you want to tweak things, you can make all sorts of customizations. You can add blank slides and type your content manually, change up the templates, or even add more AI-powered slides. It even auto-recommends topics for you. Just select one like this, hit generate, and watch the AI build it in real time. Another huge plus is that you can present right inside the app with all your animations and transitions working seamlessly. To wrap things up, let's see how to save this as a PowerPoint. Go ahead and click on these three dots, then hit Export. This gives you options for PDF, PowerPoint, or Google Slides. I'm just going to select PowerPoint, and as you can see, it'll download as a .pptx file in just a few seconds. Here's the downloaded PowerPoint file for our presentation. Once you open it up, you can fully customize and edit it inside PowerPoint however you want, just like this. That is literally how easy it is to make a professional presentation in under a minute, thanks to AI. If this helped you out, do me a huge favor, smash that like button and let me know your questions in the comments. And hey, if you want to stay updated on more cool AI tools, go ahead and hit subscribe.